So, I'm heading on my way to work now. So, tapos na yung 3 days vacation ko, yung pag-relax. So, trabaho ulit, but that's reality. And, okay, let's see kung anong gagawin ulit there in Manila. See you later. Bye, everyone. See you in Manila. So, uwi na kami ng Manila ngayon para mag-work na ulit.
Yay!
So, Kyla, bye-bye na. See you again.
See you again. These are no fun. Is a picture of that.
So, we're going home na.
What?
Hello, Kyla. Punta na kami ng Manila.
Oh, no, no.
Bye-bye, Amber. Amber, bye-bye. Ba't umiilaw yung mata mo? Amber. Bye-bye, Amber. Bye na.
Bye.
Pasok na kayo sa school?
Opo.
Okay. See you soon.
Bye.
Aral mabuti.
Sabay kami bababang doon.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bango-bango. Bye-bye. See you again.
See you again.
See you. Bye.
Yay!
Saka na sa school? Ha, bye-bye ka na, dali. Bye-bye. Bye. See you. Bye-bye, Claire. Hatid na niyo sa school. Bye-bye. 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 Hi. Bye. See you later. See you soon.